Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Google ICT Academy. You already completed step 1 of YouTube monetization? Great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to connect your YouTube channel. Please like the video, subscribe to Google ICT Academy, and share it with anyone who wants to complete YouTube monetization successfully.
Yes, guys, to complete this second step, we need to come and click on this icon, right? As I already showed in the previous lesson, we need to come and click on start icon here, and then here you need to choose I don't have an existing account, right? If you haven't, you can use the previous option so that yes, I have it. So click on continue here to continue with the next stage. Yes, here of course we need to select our account. Now let me select this one as mine, then also follow the following steps, but please pay attention here, because whenever you make any mistake you can miss your pin, right? So that's why we have to pay attention here. Then first step is your channel link is this one. By default, your build country or territory, you have to choose your country. For me is just Rwanda, is already selected. Then here you have to come and click here on I have read and accept the agreement, right? Only that you read carefully and you are ready to accept this agreement, and click here on set up account, and then you have to wait a little bit and also fill this form carefully, right? Yes, here is where we are going to enter our personal informations, custom informations, right? Custom informations. Here your payment information is saved in payment profile, which is associated with your Google account and share across the Google services. So here you have to pay attention. First of all, there is here option is your account, is it for individual or organization? Here if your channel is for organization, you can use organization, but for me it's individual because it's mine. No need to use organization. And here you should enter your names if are already there, and are correct, you don't need to change them, but if they are not correct, you can change them. For me it's clearly written then here you need also to select address line 1. Please, here you have to pay attention, because whenever you make any small mistake, you can miss your pin and your application can fail it. So here on address 1, you can use your either district, yeah, can work here. For example, for me, I can use this one, Nyamirambo. Then for line 2, you should use your street or real location in this location, right? The first line is like district, and then for address line 2 you can use any like street code. For example, for me, let me use this one, KM 18 Avenue, like this one. So you have to pay attention here, please. And then for city, of course, is Kigali, like this, right? Yeah, now I completed. I only remaining to enter my phone number here. Please make sure that you are entering the valid phone number. You can choose here without retyping it if it's already highlighted, 0791 779585. So after completing this form, please revise it again, because here you have to make sure that you entered valid information, otherwise you can struggle, right? You have to pay attention here and check and recheck your information before submission. Your payment information is saved in the payment profile, which is associated with your Google account and share across the Google services. So for me, I already done. Let me click on submit. Yes, submit, and I have also to wait for submission. And then you see now my information was already recorded. Yes, to mean that a second step also is already finished. Let me show you how it looks like after being completed. Wait a little bit and see how it looks like, right? So now it's in progress. To mean that your account is being created, associated, and approval and association process usually takes several days, but in some cases it can take 2 up to 3 weeks. To mean that I should wait between 2 and 3 weeks so that this step should be also completed, right? So guys, let us stop by here. This is the second step. Let us wait for this task and we'll get a result after this time, but fortunately we can get result before these weeks. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new, please don't miss to subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues. And if you have any question or idea, let me know in the comment section. So thank you. See you soon.